Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Steam Cloud Sync error. So let's get started. So from here, once you're here in Steam, logged in into your account, once you're here, you want to navigate here on the top left. It's where you have the Steam logo. You want to click on it, click on settings, and from here you want to navigate into the cloud. And from here, you just basically want to make sure that this is enabled right here. So make sure that you toggle this on. And after that, see if that fixes the problem. If not, then we can proceed to the next one, which is by simply going in here into the downloads section right here. And from here, you want to scroll down until you see the clear download cache. So basically, you want to click here on clear cache and click on confirm. But before clicking here, you want to make sure that you are fine with restarting Steam, and you would need to log in again. So make sure that you remember your login details and click on confirm, and it should now fix your problem. If not, then we can proceed to the next one, which is by simply going here to the storage instead, right here, and click on three dots right here, and click on repair library. And now all you have to do now is wait until it's done and close, and then just like that, your problem should now be fixed. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.